Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am creating this look right here. It's a pretty colorful look for me, and I've actually been really enjoying steering away from the browns and the warm tones I usually gravitate towards, and just adding some color into my makeup. So if you guys want to know how you could achieve this look, please keep on watching, and before we start the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel.
So the first thing you want to do is moisturize and hydrate the skin. That is very important, and I am going to be using the new Huda Beauty Honey Balm moisturizer for this, and it comes with this brush that you're supposed to apply it with. It's a first for me. I've never applied moisturizer using a brush, but it's very interesting. And then I'm going to be applying foundation. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. This foundation is pretty great. It offers, I would say, like a medium coverage. But it's not that great if you have super oily skin, but in general it's a pretty decent foundation. And I am going to be applying this using a beauty blender, and I'm going to take my time and I'm going to blend it nicely. I don't want a full coverage, so I'm not going to be applying too much product. And then I'm going to be concealing my under eye area. I'm going to be using Jouer Cosmetics concealer pen for this. I absolutely love this concealer. I'm usually not a fan of concealer pens, and I usually prefer a more liquid type of a concealer, but this concealer is absolutely amazing. It's my go-to right now, and you guys should definitely try it out. So I'm gonna be blending this out using the same beauty blender, like so. I also highlighted my nose because I'm gonna be contouring my nose later on. So this look is ideal for medium skin, dark skin, deep skin, whatever. If you are brown skin especially, this look is going to be great for you. I'm going to be using lots of bronzer and stuff, and this look is definitely one of my favorite looks of all time. The colors I'm going to be using really complement darker skin. So next I am going to be contouring my face, and I'm also going to be applying it as a bronzer because I really want to darken my face. Not really darken, but I just want to add color to my face, and I used Huda Beauty Tantour for this. It's a really great cream bronzer contour in 2-in-1 kind of a product, and I just applied it using a brush, and then now I am contouring my nose. I basically drew two very thin straight lines, and I like to blend my nose contour using my fingers instead of a brush. Not a blush, a brush. And then I am going to be contouring my lips. This is something that I've started doing recently, and it makes a huge difference. You guys have to try it out. It just makes a huge difference. And I've also been highlighting the corners of my nose. That too makes a I don't know what I'm talking about. I've been highlighting the contour. I've been highlighting the corners of my lips. My lips. Okay, yeah, I've been doing that, and it makes a huge difference as well. It just gives you a nice, more sharper lip. So anyways, now I am moving on to my eyes. Today I'm going to be using my palette from RochelleWick Beauty. The palette is called Island Girl, and it has a whole bunch of colors. First color I'm going to be using on my crease is a brown. This is totally buildable, but I'm not trying to achieve a super dark brown color or anything, so I didn't apply too much product. And then I'm going to be using this beautiful shimmery blue color. It's such a stunning color, and it's extremely pigmented, very, very pigmented. So that went all over my eyelids. And then for lashes, I'm going to be applying my lashes, RochelleWick Beauty lashes in Gall. It's pretty dramatic. It's probably my favorite lash. It just makes baking, or I can't talk today, guys. I don't know what's wrong. But I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in a darker shade to I'm going to be applying that all over my face, and that's basically going to be my bronzer. This product is very, very fine and super smooth, so it just gives you a really nice bronzer effect, and I really like it. And I'm gonna be applying a lot of this product because I want my face to look super tanned and bronzy and all that good stuff. And then blush. My favorite product is definitely blush. It has to be blush. It makes such a huge difference. And this palette is from Jouer Cosmetics, one of their newest palettes. And to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the brand new Huda Beauty Nymph highlighter. It's such a gorgeous highlighter. It's super smooth and very pigmented, as you can see, and the packaging is just out of this world. It's insane. It's beautiful. And to finish off the look, I'm going to be applying some liquid lipstick. This is from the brand Lady Burgundy, and this is in the shade Maha. It's so beautiful, and their lipsticks are absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna be applying Huda Beauty Bikini Babe in the middle of the lips to kind of create some, I don't know, like a gradient kind of an effect. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is definitely one of my favorite looks. So please let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.